Click on the link below to get price. The Ducted Whole House Dehumidifier, rated at 7.3A, stands out as an exceptional solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels throughout your home. From the moment I integrated this unit into my HVAC system, I noticed a remarkable difference in air quality. This dehumidifier is designed to efficiently remove excess moisture, preventing mold growth and ensuring a comfortable living environment. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided. It's compact enough to fit in tight spaces near my air handler, yet powerful enough to dehumidify an area of up to 3,000 square feet. The 7.3A power consumption is efficient, allowing for lower energy bills, which is a significant plus, especially during the summer months when humidity levels peak. One of the standout features is the adjustable humidity settings. I appreciate the ability to customize the humidity level according to the season or specific needs, allowing for precise control over the indoor environment. The digital display is user-friendly, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings. Additionally, the unit operates quietly, which is crucial for maintaining a peaceful atmosphere in my home. The drainage system is well designed, offering continuous drainage options which eliminate the hassle of manual emptying. This is a lifesaver for busy households. I also observed that this dehumidifier efficiently reduces humidity levels within hours of operation, significantly improving comfort levels. In terms of build quality, the unit feels sturdy and durable. It has a modern aesthetic that blends well with most home interiors. The overall maintenance is minimal, requiring only occasional filter changes, which is a bonus for those who prefer hassle-free appliances. In conclusion, the Ducted Whole House Dehumidifier 7.3A is a high-performing, reliable appliance that delivers on its promises. It provides excellent humidity control, energy efficiency, and ease of use, making it an invaluable addition to any home looking to enhance indoor air quality.